हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज हम डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं फार्मास्यूटिकल केमिस्ट्री सेकंड के क्वेश्चंस विद द राइट आंसर्स। चलिए शुरू करते हैं। फर्स्ट, नेचुरली ऑकरिंग एल्कलॉइड यूज्ड एज ए लोकल एनेस्थेटिक एजेंट इज कोकेन। बेंजोकेन इज अ इथाइल पैरामिनो बेंजोएट। एडेनिलीन इज यूज्ड with procaine hydrochloride injection to prolong the duration of anesthetic action. Cocaine is rarely used due to its toxicity and addiction. Commonly used amide type of local anesthetic agent is lignocaine. Barbiturate used as an anticonvulsant is phenobarbital. Mogadone, a hypnotic drug, is the brand name of nitrazepam. Carbamol used in mild insomnia is a monoureates. Drug which can be used as analgesic, antipyretic and anti-inflammatory is aspirin. Diflunisal is a difluorouracil derivative of salicylic acid. Drug used in gout is indomethacin. One of the anti-rheumatic drug owns its activity due to its sulfide metabolite is sulindac. Oxyphenbutazone is the active metabolite of following drug is phenylbutazone. Common side effect of non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drug is ulceration. Naturally occurring alkaloid colchicine used in gout. Largactil is a common name for chlorpromazine. Which one of these drug is butarphenone derivative is haloperidol. Which one of these drug is a tricyclic antidepressant drug is trimipramine. Which one of the following drug is preferred to give to bedwetted children is imipramine. Which one of these drug is monoamine oxidase inhibitor is tricyclopromine. Caffeine is used as a CNS stimulant agent. Caffeine is chemically 1,3,7-trimethylxanthine. Aminophylline is a salt of ethylidene diamine with theophylline. Aminophylline is used in asthma. Dextrometamine is used in physiological dependence. Parkinsonism occurs due to depletion of dopamine. Carbidopa is combined with levodopa in the treatment of Parkinsonism as it prevents decarboxylation of levodopa. Benztropine mesylate act as an anti-Parkinsonism drug by preventing the excess of cholinergic activity. Ethopropazine anti-Parkinsonism drug contains basic nucleus as phenothiazine. Diphenhydramine is used as H1 receptor antagonist. Benadryl is a common brand name for diphenhydramine. Dimenhydrinate used in motion sickness is a salt of diphenhydramine and thiocytic acid. Phenergan is a common brand name for promethazine. Which one of these antihistaminic drugs is used as appetite stimulant is cyproheptadine. Which one of these antihistaminic drugs is used in allergic condition of eye is antazolene. One of these adjuvant drug is not a catecholamine derivative is phenylephrine. Ventolin is a common brand name for salbutamol. One of these is effective only in bronchial asthma is isoprenaline. Isoprenaline is a beta receptor agonist. Nefazoline is used in nasal congestion. Acetylcholine is not used clinically as it is hydrolyzed rapidly. Naturally occurring alkaloid used in the treatment of glaucoma is pilocarpine. Physostigmine is a reversible cholinesterase inhibitor. Atropine is a racemic mixture. Hyoscyamine differ structurally from atropine by hyoscyamine possesses epoxide linkage between carbon 6 and 7. Hyoscine is used with one of these two products produced twilight sleep in obstetrical practice is pethidine. Cardiac glycoside possesses basic structure as cyclopentane or phenanthrene. Cyclopentane phenanthrene. Cardiac glycoside possesses cardiac activity due to the presence of unsaturated 5-membered lactone ring. Unsaturated lactone ring is attached to steroid nucleus at carbon 17. Ovaban is generally not used clinically due to toxicity. Quinidine acts as anti-arrhythmic drug by सोडियम चैनल ब्लॉकर में आता है क्विनिडीन, क्यूपीडी से याद रखना, क्विनिडीन, प्रोकेनामाइड और डायसोपेरामाइड. Quinidine naturally occurring alkaloid is dextroisomer. Procainamide is a derivative of benzamide. One of these local anesthetic drugs is also used in arrhythmia is lignocaine. Propranolol, atenolol and metoprolol are similar in the structure due to the position of side chain 2-hydroxy-3-isopropyl aminopropoxy. One of these beta blockers used in glaucoma is timolol. Verapamil acts as anti-arrhythmic drug by blocking the calcium channel blocker. One of these is especially used in supraventricular arrhythmia is verapamil. Cardilox is a common brand name of verapamil. Centrally acting antihypertensive drug is alpha-methyl-dopa and clonidine. Rezapine acts as antihypertensive drug by causing depletion of catecholamine. Prazosin acts as antihypertensive drug by blocking alpha receptor. Clofebrate reduces the elevated triglyceride level. Nicotinic acid lowers down the cholesterol level. Nicotinic acid lowers down the cholesterol level. Mannitol acts as diuretic by increase the osmotic pressure in renal tubule. Marsalyl acid act by inhibiting the enzyme possessing sulfhydryl group, mercurial diuretic. Acetazolamide carbonic anhydrase inhibitor used in glaucoma. High ceiling diuretic includes furosemide and ethicrinic acid. Spironolactone acts as diuretic drug by antagonizing the action of aldosterone. Insulin is composed of amino acids. 2 polypeptide chain in insulin is linked together by disulfide bond. Insulin is not given orally as it is hydrolyzed by proteolytic enzyme. Protamine is added to insulin preparation to prolong duration. Insulin preparation are stored at temperature between 2 to 8 degrees Celsius. Sulfonylureas act as oral hypoglycemic agent by stimulating insulin secretion. Which one of these hormones contain iodine is thyroxine. Antithyroid drug decrease the synthesis of thyroxine by interfering with cooperation of iodide thyroglobulin. Testosterone possesses one of these nucleus is 5-alpha androsten. Anabolic steroid possesses more anabolic activity. Which one of these is an anabolic steroid is stenozolol. Ostriadol possesses one of these basic ring is 5-alpha asten. Which one of these is a non-steroidal drug possessing osteogenic properties is stilbestrol. Progesterone contains one of these basic nucleus is 5-alpha pregabalin. Which one of these is a glucocorticoid secreted by adrenal gland is hydrocortisone. Hydrocortisone differ from cortisone in possessing hydroxy group in place of keto group at carbon 11. Betamethasone and prednisolone are used in inflammation. Sulfonamides act as antibacterial drug due to free amino group. Phthalate sulfathiazole and succinyl sulfathiazole are basically used in GIT infection. Which one of these sulfur drug is used in eye infection is sulfacetamide sodium. Which one of these sulfur drug possesses guanidine used in bacillary dysentery is sulfaguanidine. Which one of these antibiotic is obtained from synthetic source is chloramphenicol. The structure of penicillin consists of thiazolidine and beta-lactam ring. Which one of these antibiotic is polypeptide antibiotic is bacitracin. Which one of these antibiotic belong to aminoglycoside category is streptomycin. Which one of these antibiotic contain naphthacin ring is tetracycline. Which one of these antibiotic is known as macrolide is erythromycin. Quinoform is a common brand name for iodo-chlorhydroxyquinoline. Which one of these basic nucleus is present in metronidazole is imidazole ring. Which one of these antibiotic is effective in the treatment of intestinal amoebiasis is paromomycin. Hitrazine is a common brand name for piperazine.